Oh yeah, y'all know what's about to go down. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And how y'all doing, newbies? And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, you just may be one. But that's okay. I'm about to break it down for you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, honey, maybe even for the third. We don't even count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies and I want all of my newbies to get it together and come on in. Okay, y'all see this bag on my head? Y'all know what time it is. Oh yeah, y'all know what's about to go down. Don't y'all go around acting brand new, unless you are. And just in case you are brand new around here, don't fret. Don't think that I have lost all my marbles. I still have some left. I know it may look strange. I am wearing a bag. I am quite aware. But there is a method to my madness. See, what had happened was I just colored my hair. Yes, I did. I just colored it last night. Just like I said that I would about a couple of videos ago. So like I said, I did that last night using the Clairol Beautiful Semi-Permanent color. And instead of showing the end results in the beginning, we don't do that around here. I'm going to show the end results towards the end and give you the scoop in the beginning of how everything went. You know, that kind of makes sense to me. So this is why I have this lovely bag on my head, so that there is no peeking and there is no spoiling of the results. So now that everybody is all caught up, let's find out what went down in Color Town, shall we? So, like I said, I used the Clairol Beautiful Collection. And at the time, I was trying to decide between the two. I was trying to decide between Honey Brown, which is from the Clairol collection, just the regular collection. And then they have an advanced gray solution. And I have this in toasted hazelnut. So I was trying to decide between the two of which to use. I basically did a swab of both on a white paper towel, just to see how they compared. And this one, which is actually marked neutral, came out a little bit redder or warmer than this one, which I found interesting because this one actually is supposed to be a warm tone, the honey brown. So as of last night, I still did not know which one I was going to use. So after much deliberation and much consideration, I decided to use, well, I'm not even going to tell you. Y'all know how we do it around here sometimes. You tell me. I want y'all to tell me which one you think that I used on my hair. Y'all tell me, which one do you think that I used? The honey brown or the toasted hazelnut? Brown or hazelnut? Let me know down below. And we'll give the results at the end, of course. We're going to see who gets this one right. So anyway, y'all know the particulars. Everybody who's been around the block a time or two with me, you pretty much know how it went. Now, following the directions, after washing my hair and tapping it dry with a towel, I commenced the coloring. Oh, I colored the right-hand side. Oh, I colored the left-hand side. I colored up top and I put it also down below. I'm talking about the lower ends of my hair. That's what I'm talking about. I colored. I spread color everywhere. After that, I did my princess Leia buns and I put my cap on top, plastic cap, and I sat for about 30 minutes. And then I rinsed it out, put on my conditioner, and went about styling my hair the normal regular way. And so now we are here today to do the reveal, to see how everything went and to see what I am now working with. Now again, this is semi-permanent color. It is not permanent. So it does not lift your hair. It has no peroxide. So the change is somewhat of a tonal change. So this is going to be like a shift to the color of my hair as opposed to a total change, a permanent change. So without any more jibber jabbering and flapping of my gums, we are now about to do the reveal. So if everybody's ready, let's go. What do y'all think? Okay, I want to hear what y'all think first. Okay, now what I feel about, well, I'm just going to go over what I definitely noticed the change. I don't know if y'all can notice the change. Again, those who are initiated and have been in this room with me, those who have convened with me a time or two, those who are familiarized with my initial tone. Do you see the difference? I definitely see the difference. So that's number one. And again, I like to wear a black shirt when I'm doing the whole color thing because you can sort of pick up more of the contrast between my hair and like a black background. And my goal was to have like a warm brown. I wanted sort of like, well, I guess like a honey brown and still keep some of my red, but not too red, but have it look a little bit lighter without lightening it. And did y'all notice I swooped my bang to the right instead of the left, just try and change it up on y'all, just a little bit. But I've been playing around with it and looking at it. And I know the first time that I did the color, well, it wasn't first, but the first time I did it around all y'all, and we did this before, I wasn't too sure. And first I liked it, and then I was like, not too much. Then I was like, it's all right. Then I was like, meh. But this time around, I'm going to say that I like it a lot. I am genuinely happy with the results. I really am. I am genuinely happy. And I wish you guys were right here. I know it may not be picking up on the camera. I'm going to help you out on that front. Besides the black shirt, I'm going to give y'all another visual just to help you along, just in case you're like, I don't really see too much. Now, hopefully you do see it. It's a little browner. It's a little warmer. And it's a little lighter, believe it or not. Y'all see the switch up? It was on the right and now it's on the left. Y'all got to keep up. So, yeah, it's a warmer brown. It's like a sugar brown. But honey, let me tell you, my little grays that were popping up, we like to call them around here storm highlights. Well, honey, you can really see the difference with those. I'm not even going to tell y'all. I'm going to show y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but the color is now making the storm highlights look blonde. Now they're a little brassy, but they're like a blonde. I don't know if you can see that. So I am liking it. I'm really, I'm so happy. I am really happy with this color. And for all those who played along and just gotta know whether they won the prize of just being right. Between the honey brown and the toasted hazelnut, I decided on the toasted hazelnut. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I decided on a toasted hazelnut because of the little test that I did, and it was warmer and this and that and yada, yada, yada. And plus, this is the advanced gray solution. So when I colored before, I used the regular. It wasn't this shade. It was like the light blonde or whatever it was. And I said, well, let me try the advanced gray instead of just the regular. I'm so glad that I tried this one. This one is me. She is me and me is she. This is giving me everything that I want aesthetically. It really is. With the Clairol Beautiful Collection, you definitely get, after you use it, you get the softness and you get the shine. Every time I've used it, I've always had that result, in addition to whatever color it's going to leave behind. But this toasted hazelnut, this is chef's kiss for me, and what I'm looking for and what I want with the caramels and the this and the that. This is me. And I can honestly say that the gray solution, it is very good for gray hair because it did cover my grays. And I did do a hair test as well before I did this. This was a couple weeks ago. I didn't tell too many people because I just wanted to, just find out on my own what it may look like. So I did a little test on the same little patch, and after washing, it got a little lighter, but to a lighter blonde. So right now, it is a little brassy looking or coppery looking, but as I wash it, it's going to get a little bit lighter and be more of a soft blonde, a soft dark blonde. Ooh, and then when the sun hits it, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, honey. When the sun hits it, it's just gonna get lighter. So when the sun gets to doing what it's gonna do with my hair, honey, it's gonna be a wrap. It's gonna be a wrap. That's all I wanted. That's all. I don't ask for much. I really don't. I don't ask for much. I just want my hair to look right. That's it. And I feel so good that it looks good. I put it to the right again. Did you notice that? Are you keeping up? I hope you are. So let me show y'all the back. Let me show y'all the back real quick. The Clairol Beautiful Collection, it's safe to use on both relaxed and natural. And what I have noticed, as far as the difference between the advanced gray and the regular, the gray has a thicker consistency than at least that's what I noticed, than the regular version, which makes sense because it would have a heavier coverage for your hair, being that it is a solution for gray hair, to tackle gray hair. Now you can use both for grays, but this one specifically is created to cover the grays. Now, just real quick, for all those who like visuals, maybe you're not really seeing the difference. Maybe you need a visual cue to see what I'm talking about as far as the difference. Those who remember this, and those who don't, this is just going to be very simple. These are clip-ins, okay? These are clip-ins that I was gifted a while back, and this was pretty much the color of my hair because it was a perfect match. It was pretty dead on. So if you were to do a side-by-side with my hair, you may be able to see it better now. Needless to say, I probably won't be able to wear these anytime soon. Not that I have been wearing them, but it's just nice to have. I never had clip-ins, and I just thought it was very nice to have. But anyway, let's not get off the track. So that's all I have. I wanted to let y'all know how everything went. We are keeping schedule as far as everything and what's going on. Y'all know that I'm trying to grow out my bangs and just get them to curtain length and about the cheek. We're still grazing the cheek. I'm just waiting for them to get just a little bit longer, and then we're gonna play around with those. And we have other stuff on the menu, but I had to come in here and keep my word and let y'all know what is going on as far as new color. Who this? This is me, honey. This is me, toasted hazelnut, and I'm liking it. So, with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, we're going to have some fun around here. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.